All right, good morning. Today's trading session is starting around roughly 10:42 a.m. I'm not liking what I see in the charts so far. I ended up not being able to catch moves like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, and now I'm missing a move like this. So it's okay, no rush. We're just going to be patient and see if we can get something. Honestly, all I need is about $200. That's really it. I just want to make quick $200. So looking at these types of options, and you can see here I have not traded. There are no trades, no today filled, no positions open. I'm looking for a trade though. I'm looking for something, but as of right now, let's see. I was looking at something like this, man. This would have been nice. I seen this one at like 740. I seen this one when it was like right here. That would have been nice. 7 to 10, that would have been $300. I would have been in and out. But honestly, I wasn't even ready yet. I was still eating, unfortunately. I don't even really know what's going on in the market. Let's go ahead and check Gemini and see. Let's tell Gemini we need an up-to-date market analysis for the SPX. What are the levels? Currently, it's trading below, what is it, 6,600. Is it going to go lower, or is this just a sell before the rip? Is there any new news that came out? Let's see what it says. All right, so this is just a quick little analysis I want to see. It says it is 10:45 a.m., 11:45 Eastern, 11:45 a.m. Eastern. You are seeing the SPX trading below 6,600 right now because the market is currently choking on a direct rejection of the peace narrative. The sell before the rip thesis is being tested because the news that drove the morning pump has been flat out denied by Tehran. The why the pump is subsequent sell-off. The morning pump SPX future soared over 1%, hitting highs of over 66.33 because reports that Trump had formally sent a 15-point ceasefire proposal to Iran via Pakistan. This included specific carrots like sanction relief and nuclear cooperation. The mid-morning flush, the sell-off you are seeing now, taking the SPX below 6,600 as a reaction to Iran's official rejection of that 15-point plan. Tehran's state media and military officials labeled the proposal a psychological trick, the kick in the teeth. Adding to the bearish pressure, Israel just confirmed airstrikes on a naval cruise missile facility in Tehran, and reports of a drone strike on Kuwait International Airport have kept oil prices from staying down. Is it going lower, or is this a sell before the rip? This is a high-stakes pivot point, the bear case lower. We are currently trading below the 200-day moving average, 66.45, and the 66.10 pivot. If we don't reclaim 66.10 by the noon hour, the trap is set for a retest of yesterday's lows at 65.56. The bull case, if this is a shakeout, we need to see a V-bottom recovery starting right now during the 11 a.m. CT window, the European market close. If the SPX can hold 65.81 yesterday's close and start ticking back up, the rip could happen as shorts cover their positions before the end of the day. 66.45 was the ceiling, 66.10 is the resistance, 65.81 major support, 65.47 safety net. Iran rejection, new news in the last hour. Iran rejection, military movements. So the U.S. has confirmed it is moving 1,000 paratroopers from the 82nd Airborne to the region, signaling that while they are talking peace, they are preparing for Plan B. Oil rebound has bounced off its lows and is climbing back toward 90. Your move, you wanted a $200 quick hit in 11. But watch 65.81. If the market touches 65.81 and bounces with strong volume, that's your entrance. That's your entry for a long scalp back to 6,600, 19-point move. If it slices through 65.81 like butter, do not touch it. The market is likely headed for a red day. All right, let's see. Okay, so right now, it touched 65.87, but honestly, based off of what I just read, I do think it's gonna go lower. So I would like to get into like a position like the 65.75s. right here. And we're just going to wait and see on this because it is right in between this 100-day and 200-day moving average. And honestly, it has already come down off of that news. It bounced at 65.68. Is it going to come back down and bounce again? I really don't know. But let's see if we can get in like right here. You know what? I didn't buy yet. Okay, we're getting a little pump right there. I'm glad I did not buy that. I was ready to buy that. But I'm so glad I did not hit that button. I'm telling you, man, it's just just got to give it a few more moments. It's breaking below 65.90. It's right around this area. I'm looking at multiple time frames here. I see lots of selling volume down here. I see lots of buying volume down here. That's pretty big volume. Let's see, that's 9, 8, 9. Oh yeah, that's sustainable volume. You know, I'm kind of I'm looking at this and I'm kind of like I was kind of scared. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking at this like, all right, it's got some support over here, but I just don't see it going up and then coming straight back down. That doesn't make very much sense to me. But hey, the market doesn't make sense, you know. So just looking at these multiple time frames, it's getting some action right here, some pumpy action. But I don't know. I think it was the rip before the ultimate dip. On the daily even, you could see even on the daily right here. I mean, this could be coming back down. All right, let me go ahead and zoom in. Currently it's at 65.92. I'm using all of my resources that I have available. It might be getting rejected right here. It might be cooling off the VIX. Matter of fact, let's take a look at the VIX and see. The VIX is starting to pump back up. This could be a bottom for the VIX for it to bounce back up. You know what? This is super duper interesting right here, this area. I really thought that, okay, I really thought that this would go up. But I mean, you want to get in at a good entry point, honestly. And I'd say right now, just got to play that waiting game. It could be getting rejected right here. This could be a good rejection point for it to come back down. It is making lower highs and higher lows, but this is a critical area for it. You know, you don't want to get in at the wrong time because these contracts, you also want to give it time. These contracts, they decay quickly. So let's look at some of this. And I don't think it's ready to go down. I think it needs a little bit more time to create a. All right, so this is at 8:30. Might need a little bit more time to create a nice bottom, which honestly, I don't know. I see more selling pressure over here than buying. Let's take a look at some of these calls. 6,600, let's say 6,610, because that could probably be an area that it goes up. 6,610. I see some buying down here, but not 640 to 840. That's just I want a 3-point move, like $300. 65.75. Let's go back here. I mean, is it getting rejected again? Oh. Okay. You guys hear that? Jake break in the background. Right now I'm sitting in the parking lot of a Lowe's, Walmart. And this is where I'm trading from today. You know what? If it breaks that 65.90, I might have to get in a position here. Patience is key. Patience is key. See this area right here? This is a nice bounce area. And plus the RSI is trending like toward 43. I don't know. I might buy here. Oh, good that I did. See, this is what I'm concerned about, is that the structure hasn't really formed yet. See, I wish I could have got in right here. Like, this is 65.91 flush down to 60. Like, that is amazing. Well, I mean, why would it be pumping? The news is negative. Okay? I mean, I know it's probably trying to set up. I mean, this is a good little, like, this is a good area right here. This is what we call a bear flag, and that's on the 1 minute though. Let's look at it on the 2 minute. I mean, that's a bear flag, if I ever seen one. I honestly might have to take this, and if it jumps up above here, I'll just sell. All right, let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and take this. Yeah, let's take it. Ah, I'm scared. Oh, I'm glad I did not take that. I don't want to be down right now. All right, so can we get a pump out of it? The bear flags never really work out for me, but that is a nice little bear flag. I mean, there's a lot of buying over here. There's here and here. That's good volume. 65.92, 65.93. We might be getting a pump here. I mean, I like that the contracts are going down. 66.10 contracts. These are looking good too. I like that we may be pumping here. Yeah, like I said, the bear flags never really work out for me, so oh man, 870. 870. Watch these go up to like $10. Watch these. Oh. Where we at? Dang, nah, this. Ooh, we get another little seller. Oh, sell the rip. All right, somebody bought into that. That's a 920. Where's this at? 5 minute. Dang, this isn't going anywhere right now. Wow, look at that. Somebody must have sold out of their short and made it crash a little bit. This is a very, very hard trading session so far, because usually I like to get in quick, get out quick, but this is proving not to be really a quick one. All right, 8:20. So it's gonna be about 12 o'clock. I might have to come back, honestly. This is at 8:40 now. I might have to come back later so I don't force anything. I mean, this could go up to 14, it looks like. That's a pretty big move. 9 to 14, that's about $500. But, oh yeah, that's going. That's running. Go. Come on, why is this? Let's go. Let's hit 10. There we go, 10. All right. Now what we're looking for is a reversion of this play. So basically what I'm going to be looking for is a 65.80 now. For it to come down and test that, because soon as I see some volume here, that's exactly where I'm playing. See? And that's what I'm saying. You gotta wait for it to set up, because it will trick you out. I mean, look at this. Bang, bang, bang. Actually, let's draw a little trend line right here. From here down to here. Okay. Ooh, actually, you know what? I'm taking... here's what I'm gonna do, okay? You might not understand this right now, but this is what I'm doing. I am taking this short. And, what's this, a put? Yeah, I'm taking this put right here. And what I'm gonna do with this put is, first I'm gonna give it a minute. Because what I think is gonna happen is, it's already rejected there. Let me make sure I got it perfectly. Okay. Yeah, I'm taking this put position. As soon as I can see it break that, as soon as I see it break down that blue line, and I'm gonna take it on, what, the 2 minute? I see it curling back up, but I feel like it needs just a little bit more time. So we're gonna see if we could give it just a little bit more time. I see it curling back up right there, but that doesn't mean anything to me. Because we could be seeing this grow weaker right here. Yeah, see? Honestly, it's an area of interest right there. I'm taking this at 8:30. I'm already down. But it's okay. Because I'm just gonna hold this. And I'm gonna basically let this ride until it comes back down to about 60, 65, 85. If it does. It doesn't have to. But this is pretty much my play right now. See if I can get it back down to here. And I'll sell it at that point then. So, we'll see. We'll see. 65.85 is my target. I need it to reject. But, I mean, it looks pretty bullish, don't it? Yeah, it looks like it's going up. So now I just sit and wait patiently. 65.96. I'll probably sell at 65.66, so I don't lose much money. But if I can get it down to 65.85, that would be absolutely great. 65.96, 65.96.80. Okay. It's going up. There's 65.97. Oh, 65.93 all of a sudden, and just Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So now my position 830, 870. Okay, we need 65.85. 65.85. Let me see. Where's that to? All right, I just want to get it to about right here. That's it. That's it. It's not gonna go fast. It's not gonna go quick, you know. 65.91. Let's go 65.90. Come on, Twinkie trade. Buy that Twinkie high, sell that Twinkie low. Twinkie trade, Twinkie trade. Let's go. 65.90 Twinkie. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's not a Twinkie. It's a SPX. Trade SPX options. It's not dropping. It seems like it's catching bids up here. The RSI on the 1 minute is at 44. We want to stay on the 2 minute because we want to trade it to about this area, like right in here. If it can just break 65.90, that would be really cool. Break 65.90. Come on, 65.90, break through. There we go, 65.90. Let's go, let's go, 65. Come on, 65.90. All right, 65.90, 44. Let's go. Can we get it back? Can we get it at least down to here at 66.88? 65.88. Okay, that is not good. It's pumping back up. All right, 65.91, 70. 60, 40. Okay, there we go. 65.90. Let's go. 65.88. I need 65.88, please. 65.88. Definitely looks like it's catching some bids up here, but you know what? I'm still going to hold. 65.89. There we go. All right, let's see if I could get out of here, about right here. All right, so we got out right there, and we hit our trade for the day, and that's $267. That's how you make that money. Look at this. That's how you make that money. Look. $253 on the day. As you can see, that position, bought in at 12, sold at 12.05. That's 5 minutes for $250. I'm not going to complain about that. And look at that. You see that right there? Look, it called a bid right there and popped right back up. That was a good execution of a trade. Listen, I am the trucker trader, and I'm signing out.